Okay, here goes my first attempt at a ACV and bicarb soak or baking soda soak to deep cleanse my dreads. I've had them almost 10 months now with no cleaning, just a regular shampooing. So let's see what we come up with. Here's everything pre-mixed, ready to go. So let's see what we get. Alright, this is just letting them soak in there. I haven't scrubbed or anything. And it's probably been like 2 minutes, maybe 5. As you can see, the water is already changing colors. So, I mean, they're not super dirty, but because I've washed them every week, once a week, sometimes every other week, depending on what I do at work or at home, how much dirt and dust gets in them, or how much essential oils I put in them. But so this is what we have so far. So I'm gonna continue soaking and I'll update you when I'm done. Alright, this is after 20-30 minutes, about 25 minutes soaking, and there's, you can see the buildup a little bit where it's still coming out, but yeah, I'll do it one more time and try to get everything out of it. Hopefully one more time will work, so we'll find out. Yeah, that sensitive old ginger scalp. That's okay. Well, doing it with one person is kind of difficult, but I got some or most of the buildup out. And this is my second soak, which the water is just a little bit lighter than the first one. But I'm going to go wash it out, and hopefully next time I can have more help.